are trusting the AI blindly without verifying the actual reasonings, validations behind it.
My name is Shweta.
My name is Muskan Bhatt.
My name is Nana Gharola.
And my name is Vineet Rawat.
So our problem statement is that nowadays in organizations, in large companies, AI just not acts as a tool or an assisting thing, but AI is actually working like an employee, taking some very high risk decisions and very critical and independent decisions in the sectors like healthcare, finance, and infrastructure. But the problem here arises that we are trusting the AI blindly without verifying the actual reasonings, validations behind it. And this is creating a huge accountability and trust gap. And here our project comes in here. We are building a governance layer above the AI, in which we are not just directly trusting the AI's decisions, but we are passing these decisions into a structured 7-layer pipelining, which involves reasoning from multiple agents, validation from RAG, past decisions, and the sector's policies, and then human approval if there is a high risk involved in the decision, staking like penalty or consequences, and then finally storing that decision in a blockchain so that it cannot be edited or deleted. And our model becomes reliable, trustworthy, and thank you.
So in today's world, like AI is making a very crucial decisions in many industries, but nobody is validating that. So our solution is acting as a validation layer for all those decisions. It is helping in it can help in various sectors like healthcare sector. Like any AI written prescriptions or diagnosis can be risky. So our solution validates that so that we can prevent any health risks. Also in like DevOps and cloud environments, any AI driven scaling and deployment can we can prevent the cost and the scaling. Also in the sectors like legal sector, like there are many contracts which are analyzed by the AI, and there can be missing clauses which are really important. So our solution can detect that too. How can we approach, like what is our target audience is like any companies which are using AI for the decisions, like CTOs, compliance teams, and the industries like healthcare and legal sectors. Basically what we can do is we can initially target the companies which are at really high risk, like where any decision, a very small mistake in any decision can lead to a really high risk. Also what we can do is we can provide a pilot demo types in which we can give the free trials, and based on that result we can create a case study, and we can then scale this into the larger industries. Thank you.